Welcome to the colorful world of Marudhar Textiles, where fabric comes alive, creativity knows no bounds, and quality is stitched into every thread. We invite you to discover the vibrant story behind our t-shirt manufacturing company, a journey filled with innovation, craftsmanship, and style. Founded in 1991 by Narendra Jain and followed by Dheeraj, Arvind and Sharad Jain, Marudhar Textiles has been a beacon of creativity in the textile industry. Our commitment to weaving dreams into reality has made us a trusted name in the world of fashion. At Marudhar Textiles, our mission is simple: to produce t-shirts that aren't just garments but expressions of individuality. Our journey starts with selecting the finest raw materials. We take pride in sourcing eco-friendly and sustainable fabrics, ensuring that every t-shirt we create is not only stylish but also kind to the planet. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is where the magic happens. It's a place where creativity meets precision, and skilled artisans bring designs to life. But Marudhar Textiles is not just about manufacturing, it's about innovation. We invest in cutting-edge technology and trends, staying ahead of the curve to deliver t-shirts that captivate hearts and minds. Our talented team of designers is the driving force behind our success. They infuse each t-shirt with unique styles, colors, and patterns that reflect the spirit of the times. We believe that fashion should be accessible to everyone, which is why we offer a wide range of t-shirts catering to different tastes and needs. From casual wear to sportswear, we have got you covered. Customer satisfaction is at the core of our values. We take pride in delivering t-shirts that not only look good but also feel great. Your comfort and style are our top priorities. At Marudhar Textiles, we also value sustainability. Our commitment to reducing our environmental footprint is evident in our production processes and materials. We are weaving a greener future. Our t-shirts have found their way into the hearts of people worldwide, from fashion enthusiasts to athletes, from students to professionals. We are proud to be part of your everyday moments. As we look ahead, the future is filled with endless possibilities. Marudhar Textiles remains dedicated to pushing the boundaries of fashion, exploring new designs, and bringing joy through our creations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the vibrant world of Marudhar Textiles. Explore our collections, connect with us, and be part of the fashion revolution that celebrates individuality. Marudhar Textiles, where style meets comfort, creativity knows no limits, and quality is stitched into every t-shirt. Visit us today and experience the Marudhar Textiles difference. Together, we will continue to make fashion more colorful and expressive.